Hello everyone. Today we are going to start a new topic, that is finding rational numbers between any two rational numbers. So before starting this topic, we have to see few things which we have done earlier. So here I have drawn a number line, that is few integers are there on the number line. If we need to find out integers between -4 and 2, so we can count them. How many integers are between -4 and 2? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 integers between -4 and 2. Similarly, between -3 and 1, there are 3 integers, 1, 2 and 3. There are 3 integers between -3 and 1. So here we can conclude this, that there are a countable number of integers between any two given integers. Countable means finite. So we can write there are finite integers between two integers. Finite means countable. And similarly, when we have to find out in between two rational numbers, so there are infinite rational numbers between any two given rational numbers. Infinite means uncountable. As many rational numbers we have to find out, that much we can find out. So for this we have to find rational numbers. Here we will use a method, that is by making their denominator same. So we'll consider here different cases. First case is, we'll take a first example. Find two rational numbers between 1 and 2. So how to find out the two rational numbers between 1 and 2? First of all, we have to write rational number 1 as 1 upon 1, because when there is no denominator, we are writing denominator as 1. Similarly, rational number 2 as 2 upon 1. So there are always two steps to find out the rational numbers. So in first step we have to make their denominator same. In second step we have to multiply a number with where we will use n plus 1 rule. So n plus 1 rule, where n plus 1, n is considered as a number. How many rational numbers we have to find out? Suppose in this case we have to find out two rational numbers, so the value of n will be 2. So in this case, first step is already done because their denominators are same. So we have to use only second step, that is n plus 1. So in second step, n plus n is 2. So when we will add 1 in this 2, we will get 3. So after getting this 3, we will just multiply this 3 with the numerator and denominator of both the rational numbers, and we will get their equivalent rational number. So how we can multiply? 1 upon 1 multiplied with 3 upon 3, we will get now 3 upon 3 only. With the second rational number, that is 2 upon 1, when we will multiply it with 3 upon 3, we will get 6 upon 3. Because now 6 is greater than 3 upon 3, so 3 upon 3 we will write on the left hand side, and 6 upon 3 we will write on the right hand side. So after this we will write as many rational numbers are possible between them. So here after 3 comes 4. So 4 upon 3 is a rational number between them, and second one is 5 upon 3 is the second rational number between them. So here we have got two rational numbers, that is 4 upon 3 and 5 upon 3 between 1 and 2. And now we'll do the second example, that is case number 2. In case number 2, find four rational numbers between 2 upon 3 and 4 upon 5. So here you can see denominators are different, that is 3 and 5. So first step, we have to make their denominators same. So how we will make their denominators same? We will take their LCM. So here we have taken LCM of 3 and 5. that is LCM, we will get as 15. So after getting LCM 15, we have to make both the rational numbers denominator as 15. So how we can do that? 2 upon 3, we have to make their denominator as 15. So how we will make their denominator 15? By multiplying 5 with both numerator and denominator. After multiplying 5, we will get this as 10 upon 15. And second, 4 upon 5, we will multiply with 3 and we will get 12 upon 15. So now two new rational numbers we have got. So first step we have done, their denominators we have made same. Now if we have to find out the rational number between them, 10 and 12, because their denominators are same, so there is only one rational number, that is 11 upon 15 between them. So we have to do second step also. So in the second step we will use n plus 1 rule. So in n plus 1 rule, here we are having n as 4 because we have to find out 4 rational numbers. So 4 plus 1 will make it as 5. Now in the second step, this 5 we have to multiply with both the rational numbers and their numerator as well as denominator, and we will get again their equivalent rational number. But remember one important thing, when you will use this n plus 1 rule, don't multiply this 5 with the rational numbers which you are having earlier in the question. You have to multiply this 5 with the new rational numbers which you have got after making their denominators same. Now first rational number we have got as 10 upon 15. So multiply this 10 upon 15 with 5. When you will multiply this, 10 5s are 50, 15 5s are 75. And second rational number 12 upon 15 multiplied with 5 upon 5, that is we will get 60 upon 75. So as you know 60 is greater than, so 60 you will write this side and encircle this, and 50 you will write here. So you have to write here 4 rational numbers between them. So in between 50 and 60, any 4 you can write. 51 upon 75, 52 upon 75, 53 upon 75, and so on till 59. So here we are writing, suppose we are writing any 4 rational number, because we only want 4 rational numbers. So we will write 52 upon 75, 54 upon 75, 56 upon 75, and 58 upon 75, or any other you can choose in between them. So we have got 4 rational numbers by 2 steps. Both the steps we have used here. Similarly, we are having case number 3 also. Case 3. In case 3, what we have to do? Find 4 rational numbers between minus 1 upon 2 and 1 upon 5. Here also denominators are different. So in different denominators, again what we will do, we will take their LCM. So when we have to take their LCM, we will get LCM again as 2 multiplied by 5, that is 10. So here we have got LCM as 10. So we need to make their denominator, both the rational numbers denominator, we have to make now 10. So how we can make their denominator 10? We'll write first rational number, that is 1 upon 2. When we'll multiply 1 upon 2 with 5, minus 1 upon 2 with 5, we will get minus 5 upon 10. Similarly, the second rational number, that is 1 upon 5, when we will multiply it with 2, then we will get 2 upon 10. Now, here we can see one is minus 5 and second one is 2 because their denominators are same. So already we can find out 4 rational numbers between them. So if we are already getting 4 rational numbers between them, so there is no need to do second step, that is n plus 1. So already in first step we will get all the 4 rational numbers. Like we can write the first rational number, because this is negative, so we will write it extreme on the extreme left. Secondly, we will write this 2 upon 10 on right side. So here we can consider any 4 rational number between them, that is minus 4 upon 10, minus 3 upon 10, minus 2 upon 10, minus 1 upon 10, and even you can consider 1 upon 10, 0 upon 10 and 1 upon 10 also. So we only want 4 rational numbers, so we have written 4 rational numbers. So 2 steps, among 2 steps, in a few cases you have to do only first step, in few cases you have to do only second step, and in few cases you have to do all the both these steps.